Hello everyone, in this video we're gonna learn how to solve this challenging problem. We need to factor this one completely. Alright, so we're gonna start from here. We just add and subtract s cubed to see what happens, right? So we have 25 times s to the 4 plus s cubed plus s squared plus 1 minus s cubed. Now the second one we just rewrite. Now for the first one I just group the first three terms right here, right, and the last two terms right here. Alright, so I have 25 all together. The first three terms right here I factor s squared out, right? So I have s squared plus s plus 1. Now the last two terms right here I just use the difference of 2 cubes formula, right? So I have 1 minus s times s squared plus s plus 1, right? This one right here I just rewrite it. Now this guy and this guy have the same common factor s squared plus s plus 1, so I just factor this one out, right? So I just rewrite 25, and then I have s squared plus s plus 1 times this one right here. I have s squared left, right? So I have s squared. This one I have 1 minus s left, right? So I just write negative s plus 1, right? Minus s squared plus s plus 1 all together squared, right? Now I observe that I have this guy have the same common factor, right? So I just factor this guy out. So I have s squared plus s plus 1 times I have 25 left, right? Times s squared minus s plus 1, right? Subtract s squared plus s plus 1, right? Now I distribute this guy. So then I'm going to simplify with this guy, right? I distribute negative 1 over here. So I have s squared plus s plus 1 times 25 s squared minus 25 s plus 25 minus s squared minus s and minus 1, right? Now I just simplify this one, so I have s squared plus s plus 1 times 25 s squared minus s squared is going to be 24 s squared. Negative 25 s minus s is going to be negative 26 s plus 25 subtract 1 is going to be 24. And this is the final factor form. And it's good time to stop. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Remember that if you failing to prepare, you're preparing to fail.
We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals, they take us higher. The night's young and it's just begun as she puts her hand in mine.